So hello guys, so today we are going to talk about the emotion detector which we had built in our previous video. It was a facial emotion detection system built with PyTorch, Torchvision and OpenCV. Okay, so this is kind of like an extension of it, kind of like a part 2 of it. So basically I had gotten a request to make a video on this to how to like basically run this locally because there is a problem in Google Colab is that you can do all the training over there. You can basically train your model and all of that. But when the time comes to like basically infer from it, basically run it through your webcam, there are a lot of issues that people face because Google Colab doesn't let you do that. Okay. So another problem that people face is that uh, they don't want to like train this whole model on their local machine because it probably takes a lot of time and all, and a lot of people don't have GPUs and all. So today I'm going to talk about that how you can basically run this locally, and basically you don't need to do the training in your machine. You can basically follow this whole video, this whole 2-hour video, and you can basically go through it and train it on Google Colab, just like all the steps we followed in the video. So basically, just to recap, we had basically created a CNN which basically detects emotions, and there are 7 classes of emotions that we were detecting, which are angry, disgust, fear, happy, neutral, sad, surprise. And basically what you need to do if you want to run this locally, first of all you need to basically go to this video and go to its description and then get this Google Colab link, then open this up and basically run all the commands. Okay, and basically before running this particular section, this sixth box, this sixth code block, before running that you need to make sure that you basically download the data set from here, from Kaggle. That link is also mentioned over here. And then basically what you need to do is basically you need to upload this zip file over here and then rename it to this emotion detector data.zip. Or if you don't want to rename it over here, you can do it over here also, and then basically run all of the next commands, and also make sure that when this zip file is being unzipped, it will be showing as process data. So you need to like rename it as data and then do all the steps. Okay, these are like steps for people who have not viewed the first videos, just to like give them a quick start, and then basically run all of that. In this I'm running 150 epochs, but you can see that after probably like 50 epochs it doesn't make a lot of improvements in the accuracy and in the loss. So it's like good to do it till 50 epochs only. In the original video we did it till that number only, so it is advised till that. Then what you need to do is that I will be providing this Jupyter notebook in the description of this video. You need to download that. It will be not in the form of a Google Colab, it will be in the form of a file. You need to download that and basically run it using Jupyter notebook, or you can do it on VS Code also. In order to run it on Jupyter notebook, what you need to do is basically, first of all, you need to ensure that you have Python installed in your machine. Currently I'm using Python 3.11, and I advise you to follow that one because it has like strong support for all of this, and you will not face any issues regarding all of this, so it will be good for you. Next, what you need to do is basically you need to make sure that you have these packages installed using pip. So you need to install Torch, you need to install OpenCV Python, and then you need to install Pillow also, and you also need to install Torchvision also. So these are the few packages that you need to keep installed using pip, and then you can proceed with this. Okay, like this code is very simple. It is taken from this only. you can see this inference over here. This is what we are doing over here. So like just to show you, just a second. So if I just restart this, okay. Now if I run this, so it is running. Yes, it is working. Then this is the CNN class that we had built, and if I run this, it is running properly. Then what you need to do is that you need to set the model path of the file. Okay. Now what is this model.pth? You will get this file after training the model. Okay, like you see the logs over here saving the best model with the best validation score to model.pth, and if you see over here there is a model.pth file. So what you need to do is basically you need to download that, and basically you need to make sure that whatever directory that this Jupyter notebook is in, it is in that same directory, this model.pth, or if it is not, then you need to probably change this part of the code, and the rest of that you don't need to change. Okay, if we see the number of classes here, this is taken from the first video. Okay, all of these are taken from the first video, so let me run that. And then this is the main function that is like responsible for basically opening the webcam using OpenCV, and then basically running the inference on it and all the stuff. So if I run this, and then if I like run this inference, it will start my webcam and it will work like just I had demonstrated in the first video's demo. Okay. As you can see, it is working. Like it is saying I'm happy right now. I mean, this is it is also showing the confidence meter. Okay, and it is not actually like very accurate right now. Okay, it is like it still requires a lot of can say a lot of improvements, because this is not the best kind of model that we have built. Okay, so in the future, maybe in the coming videos, we can make more parts of this series, probably continue this to make this more advanced and all, because there are still a lot of techniques that you can use to make this even more better. And there are a few techniques, like just to like throw off a few out to you. You can probably like research about transfer learning. Basically, transfer learning is you use a already pre-existing trained CNN, which is like a pretty solid one, probably like ResNet or one, ResNet or probably like those CNNs. Okay, you can search it on YouTube and Google, and basically you can try to integrate it with this project also. And then at that point, I feel like it is a pretty nice project to show off and on your resume. So you can probably do that if you want. So this is it in this video. So I hope that you understood that how to run this locally. And another thing that I forgot to mention, that the Jupyter notebook that we are using, you need to also make sure that you have it downloaded. Okay, if not, if you don't have Jupyter notebook downloaded in your machine, then you probably need to go to like search Anaconda download, and then you need to download Anaconda, and then Jupyter notebook comes like installed with that. Okay, another thing that you can do is basically you can use Visual Studio Code also. And for that, what you need to do, you need to on top of these packages, you need to probably like download IPyKernel. That is another package that you need to download. Okay, let me also like mention over here that what are the packages to download. Okay, so if you want, you can like download IPyKernel, and in that case you no longer need to download Jupyter notebook and Anaconda and all, because that is another complicated step on its own. So you can skip it. And apart from that, we will for sure need Torch. We will for sure need OpenCV, Python, which is basically CV2. Then we need Pillow, which is basically Pill, and then at last we need Torchvision. Okay, so these are all the packages that we need to download, that you need to download, and that's it. Then you can probably run this, and that's it. So I hope that you found this video helpful. So yeah, thank you.